ሜካፕ እንዴት እንደሰራው ላሳያችሁ። እንደው የሚያደርገኝን ነው የሚያሳጣኝ። Let me do a little bit of makeup. Oops. Toner. Serum. Some Aquifer. Moisturizer. My face already glistening. A tiny bit of moisturizer. Get the neck. Starting off with Danessa Myricks. Danessa Net. I'm using Too Faced as my first concealer. I want a full face. I want to beat my face. I want to beat it. Can't find my concealer brush. I blend. I have been, a soft makeup girl for a while, and sometimes out of the ordinary, I like doing bronzer from Say. The color is called Sail. On the negar like stuck money lebanon. My artistic abilities, they come when I do makeup, you know what I'm saying? Love me some noise looking skin. Makeup ትምህርት አያቆምም። ሰዎች የሚያደርጉት ማልወደው ትሬንዶች አሉ። Look at my nose, you guys. Kim Kardashian wear. የነጮቹን አፍንጫ ለማድረግ ተቸገረን። Are you feeling it or are you not? Even if it was ugly, I was gonna say it looked cute. So ዩቲዩብ ቪዲዮ ደግሞ ፖስት አድርጌላችኋለሁ፣ ግን አስሮቻችሁ ብቻ ናቸው ያያችሁት። ገባችሁ? ረጅም ቪዲዮ እያስረዳው ኤቭሪቲንግ እየቀረጽኩ ምናምን ፖስት ያደረኩትን አታዩም። የውስጥ ተምሪ አትበሉኝ። Go check out my YouTube channel and also subscribe. That's the scary part, is how confident I am that this is gonna work. I'm gonna start blending. እኔ ራሴን በመስታወት እያዩ እየደነገጥኩኝ ነው። ወዴት እንደሚሄድ እስቲ እናያለን። Doing a lot of makeup. I think you can tell I am doing the most today. See? Let me spray it. I get it. You're like, what am I slash? To wait till you see the vision. And the dark tapakala. In my brows. Not any curly lisarano. They're any step sisteros nacho. Sisteros chuladelo. I don't know if this is the right color. I was going with it because it's already on my eyes. I actually do a lot of things that are questionable. I'm just gonna go with it because mysterious Scorpio. Eyeliner. I don't know why, but my voice changed when I finished my makeup.